another short video to talk a little bit about Discovery Ed, some of the major features in Discovery Ed. Another paid resource through KPBSD. You'll notice here I'm at the district website. If I click into the employee tab, there is an entry point right here. And you do want to use this entry point through the website so that you are using your subscription, your teacher subscription. When you click into Discovery Ed, it didn't prompt me to log in because I've already been in there today. However, know that you will be prompted to log in with your e-number and your district password. What you notice here is the home page, and you can search by topic. Let's say let's go back to that mindset. When you search that topic, you can drill down by grade level. You can drill down to content modality as well. Know that Discovery Ed is known for their videos. They have videos on all, just a vast array of topics. So when you drill down to something and you think it's interesting, you can click into it. And it gives you those shareable options. You can share using the link. You can drop it into your Google Classroom. You can create a classroom, and you can assign it to students as well. Many of the videos have segments, so that you're not showing an entire video. That this particular one looks like it's fairly short, but let's say you only wanted to drill down to a certain section. You can assign segments, or you can assign the whole video. So here's some of the major features in Discovery Ed.